Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I would like to show you guys that the very useful tool, that is heat map of TradingView. Okay, so basically you need to create an account with the TradingView. Just give your credentials, email ID, and maybe some password. All those things you need to give, and you can create a account. Okay, that will be helpful for you to get a full access. It is not 100% access, but you need to get if you want to get a full access, you need to get a subscription. That is not required actually. For traders like us, it is enough to see the charts. Okay, so how to make it use of this heat map? First of all, you need to go to products, screeners, then there is a heat map available. You can see there are a lot of ETFs. Heat map is available. Yeah, see, this is a USA heat map. There are a lot of ETFs are available in the US market, so that is available here. If you want to go for some particular country, you can select here. Okay, this is one thing. And for Indian market, basically what we will do, you can go for a crypto as well. You can see it here. Okay, this is the crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. So yeah, so what it will show, this is the change in the 24 hours, how much it is changed by percentage. 1.37, XRP 3.68, kind of this day change it will be showing it up. So let's come back to stocks. This is again a USA stocks. I will shift to Nifty 50. Yeah, see, this is the Nifty 50 on last Friday. If you can see, yeah, last Friday data, we do have the change in the day wise, the percentage of change in day wise. If you click on this, you can get the weekly performance, monthly performance, and 3 months, 6 months. So these are the ascending and descending order they are taking it. Sorry. So this is very useful in order to decide how much exactly it is changed. If you want to go for a long-term investment, you can go for the performance of the year, or you can go for the 6 months. Okay, you can see for 6 months, this HDFC has given a 18.71% of return. What about Reliance? Reliance has given 19.25. What about BL? It is given a 46.18 because different stocks are rallied, right? So uh, on day by day basis, you need to look this heat map. Okay, that will be helpful for you to take some decision. Maybe sector wise, if it is performing bad, the Nifty will also go down on some of the major stocks. These are the heavy weighted stocks. You can see Reliance, HDFC, ICICI, TCS, Infosys. Okay, so if these stocks are going down, Nifty will obviously go down because there are a lot of weightage. Okay, so yeah, that's it from my end. You can make use of this market cap as well. If you want to go for price change, you can see this is based on the price change. And basically go for the market cap always. Else if you want to go for a 1 day volume, this is the 1 day volume. Okay, yeah, that's it from my end for this heat map. Like, share, and subscribe if you like this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.